Hi, I'm in San Diego, California. It's the home and headquarters for Masterpiece Artist Canvas. Since 1965, Masterpiece Canvas has been making high-quality canvas for fine artists all over the world. We're in the distribution facility in San Diego, where all their products come in and go out to the retail stores. That's a forklift, which you just heard in the background. We're going to go down to their factory in Tijuana. Can't wait to show you how they make all this great canvas. This is Art Supply Videos. I'm Rick Hummerford. Let's take a look.
Masterpiece Artist Canvas is well known for making the highest quality of stretched and rolled canvas for artists. Getting to see how they do this firsthand really helped me understand just how serious they are about product quality. John Suklaris, seen here on the right, is the second generation of owners at Masterpiece and takes a great deal of pride in their reputation for making a quality product. The process all starts with the wood. Masterpiece uses only North American wood grown by conscientious growers using well-recognized reforestation standards. The wood you find in a Masterpiece canvas is always a solid piece, never finger jointed together. They begin by planing and shaping the rough cuts with precision saws. Then the imperfections are cut out of the wood. This is an expensive approach, but it ensures the highest level of quality. Once the wood is trimmed to length, the tenon joints are cut into each end of the wood. At every step, measures are taken to check the quality of the cuts and the fits of the bars. The canvas frames are then fit together, where they are once again checked for a nice tight fit and a good square frame. Masterpiece ovals and circle frames are also of the highest quality. They're made from a solid piece of high-density board and cut from a single piece of wood using a router and template. This ensures every oval is exactly the right size. Masterpiece builds their inventory to order, so once the frames they need are assembled and checked, they're moved to the other side of the factory where they're stretched. Masterpiece sources the highest grades of canvas from all over the world. Much of their canvas is coated in the US, and some is coated right here at the factory. Masterpiece offers one of the largest varieties of canvas available stretched over their frames. The canvas is slit and then sheeted and ready for stretching. Much of the machinery that Masterpiece uses was custom built by John or his father and is proprietary. This custom designed equipment results in drum-tight, consistent stretching. What you can see here is that the full canvas is utilized when making the corners on the Pro Series canvas. This allows for re-stretching by the artist at any time. The final step in the manufacturing process is the packaging. The finished canvases are labeled, shrink-wrapped, and packed into cases. Then they're shipped off to an art supply store near you. I hope you enjoyed watching how Masterpiece Artist Canvas builds some of the highest quality stretch canvas available and has been doing so for nearly half a century. I'm Rick Hummerford. Thanks for watching Art Supply Videos.